Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today's topic is pricing dimension structure in revenue management. First of all, what is pricing dimension? Segregation of standalone sales into set of similar transactions are known as pricing dimension. Now, to create a pricing dimension structure, there are various steps or tasks which we need to perform. First, we need to create a value set in the instance. Then we need to create a pricing dimension structure. Then we need to create a pricing dimension instance. Then after creating this three, we need to deploy a flex field. It is nothing but the validation of the above three steps. Then after deployment, we need to create a value set value by using the task name as manage values in the instance. Here is a small example for better understanding of the task or steps which we have discussed. Like you can see customer type. There are two types of customer, normal, commercial, geographic zone, America, Asia Pacific, deal size. One is 0 to less than 1 million and another one is 1 million to less than 5 million. This whole thing is nothing but a pricing dimension structure which we need to create in the instance. In this structure, there are value sets. Now, what are value sets? These are nothing but the segments, customer type, geographic zone, deal size. These are the value sets. And under this value sets, there are value sets value. And what are value sets value? This. Like in under customer value sets value are normal and commercial. Under geographic zone, it's American Asia Pacific. Under deal size, it's 0 to less than 1 million and 1 million to less than 5 million is what is value sets value. Now, what is instance? It is nothing but the copy of structure only. It is used to select the required value sets value as per need. Now we will move to the instance and we will create one structure there by using this example only for more clarification on this concept. So moving to the instance now. Go to setup and maintenance. Select offering here as financials. Go to revenue management. Search for the task. Value set. Here it is. Manage pricing dimension value sets for revenue management is the task. Select the module. It's revenue management. And search. Now for creating a value sets, click on this add icon. Give a value set code like I'm giving here. GBC, customer type. Give module, it's revenue management. Validation type, I'm giving independent. Value data type, I'm giving character. Value subtype, I'm giving text. Minimum, give minimum length. I'm giving here as 5 and save. Now save and close. Now we will create one more value set. BBC, geographic, give module, revenue management, validation type independent, data type character, subtype text. Giving minimum length here also is 5, save and close. Now we will create value set of deal size. with the name BBC, deal size, same, give module, revenue management, type I'm giving independent, data type I'm giving character. You can change this data type or validation type as per your requirement or needs. I'm giving independent in character and subtype as text here. Minimum length for this also 5. Save and close. So we have created our value sets. Now what we will do, we will create a structure. Now for that, the save and close. Go to the task name as manage pricing dimension structure for revenue management. Go to manage structures. Now for creating a structure, just click on this add icon. Give the name to your structure code. I'm giving here as BBC structure. Name also I'm giving the same BBC structure. Give delimiter and save. When you will save, this field segments will get activated. Just save it. Click on this add icon. Give segment code. I'm giving here BBC customer segment. Name also same, BBC customer customer segment. You can add description if you want. Sequence it's 1. Prompt I'm giving as customer. Short prompt also I'm giving as customer here. Display width I'm giving 30. Column name will be segment 1. Default value set code is nothing, but the value sets which we have created, we are linking that here. Like for customer segment, I'm going to give BBC customer type. So search for that. It's BBC customer size. Say OK. If you want, you can add segment label. If you don't want, you can leave it also. So right now I'm leaving it. Save and close. Now we will make 2 more segments in the structure. Next one is BBC geographic. Geograph. Name also same. Sequence 2. Prompt. Short form also same. Display with 30. Column name segment 2. Value set code will be that we have already created with the name BBC geographic zone. Here it is, BBC. Say OK. Save and close. Now we will add the last value set or segment in the structure. It's BBC deal size segment. Name also same, BBC deal size segment. Sequence will be 3rd. Prompt will be deal size. Short prompt will be deal size. Display width I'm giving 30. Column will be third segment here, segment 3, and we will give value set code. Say okay. 7 close. Now, under this BBC structure, we have created this segments and we have linked the segments with the value sets. So this is done with the second step. Now we will move to the instance. So save and close. Say done. Go to manage structure instance. Now for creating instance, click on this add icon. Give instance code. Give name. I'm giving same name as code. Link your structure which we have created, BBC structure. You can see that when we are selecting the structure, all the segments which we have created in this structure is coming here. Now what you can do is just select this first segment, customer segment, click on this edit, and if you require this segment in your instance, just enable this and say okay. If you don't want this segment in your instance, just leave it like that only. Don't click on this required checkbox. Right now I'm taking all the segments. Say okay. Select edit. Say okay. Now save and close. This is how your instance is created. Say done. Now we will deploy. Say okay and done. Now after that, we need to create a value sets, value and value sets. So go to value sets. Give your module. It's revenue management. Search. Go to this manage values. First, I'm selecting this BBC customer type and going to manage values. Under BBC customer type, we will create two value sets as normal and commercial. So click on this add icon, give value for normal. I'm giving NOR, adding the description normal customer type. Save. Now we will create one more commercial. For commercial, I'm using COM, given description, commercial customer type, and save and close. Now we will select a BBC deal size and click on this manage value. Now to create a value set value under deal size, we will click on this add icon. I'm creating one as 0 to 2, giving the description 0 to less than 2 million. Save. Adding one more 2 to 5. It's 2 million to less than 5 million. Now save and close. Now we will create value set value under geographic zone. Select, click on manage values, click on this add icon. For America, I'm using AM as value, giving here detail is America. Save. Adding one more. Asia Pacific, I'm using AP. giving it Asia specific and save and close. So this is how all the steps are done and completed in the instance. First, we have created value sets, then we have created structure, then we have created instance, then we have deployed, and after using managed values, we have added value sets value under our value sets. So this is all for today. Thank you.